In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music into speech in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know how to create a voiceover that already includes subtle music, all inside ElevenLabs, without juggling extra audio tools. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs. You're looking for the official ElevenLabs website in the results. Click through, and once you're on the site, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is where we'll write our script and guide the model to blend in background music. In the text box, write your narration as you normally would, but add simple bracketed cues to describe the music you want. The model responds well to clear, concise directions like gentle piano music in the background or soft lo-fi beat fades in. You can also shape pacing with pause cues to give the music room to breathe. For example, you could write something like gentle piano music in the background. Starlight ripples through the quiet evening air. Pause, as drifting echoes paint memories in soft gold. Pause. Every heartbeat syncs with the melody of the night. Pause, guiding wandering souls toward tranquil horizons. Music continues softly. Keep the cues short, descriptive, and neutral. Avoid naming specific songs or artists. Instead, describe the mood and instrument. If you want a calmer feel, use words like gentle, soft, or subtle. If you want it more present, try steady or warm, but be careful not to overpower the voice. Next, choose the 11v3 Alpha model. This model is designed to interpret inline directions for sound and music more effectively, which means it's more likely to understand those bracketed cues and blend them naturally with the narration. Now click Generate Speech. Give it a moment to process. When it's ready, listen closely to how the voice and background music sit together. If the music is too prominent or not present enough, tweak your cues. For example, change gentle piano music in the background to very soft piano in the background, or move a pause earlier to let the music fill a moment. Small wording changes can make a big difference. If you want a different vibe, swap the instrument. Try soft strings, ambient synth, or mellow guitar, and regenerate. That's the process. Search for ElevenLabs, open text-to-speech, write your script with clear music cues and pauses, select the 11v3 Alpha model, and generate. Experiment with wording until the balance and mood feel right. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating voiceovers with built-in background music.